Welcome back to my channel, Techno Trend Zone. Today, we dive deep into the exciting world of DJI with a comprehensive look at the rumored DJI Pocket 4. This compact powerhouse is poised to redefine portable video production with its groundbreaking features and unparalleled performance. Let's explore everything you need to know about this potential game-changer in the world of vlogging, travel filmmaking, and creative content production. Enhanced screen and ergonomics. The DJI Pocket 4 is rumored to include a larger 2.5-inch rotating touchscreen, a significant upgrade from the 2-inch display of the Pocket 3. This screen is expected to boast a resolution of 480 by 800 pixels with a brightness of 800 nits, ensuring excellent visibility in bright outdoor conditions. Improved button placement and a redesigned ergonomic grip texture promise enhanced comfort during extended filming sessions, making it an ideal tool for on-the-go creators. The slightly larger frame, weighing around 190 grams, appears to accommodate this upgraded screen and other advancements. These refinements aim to improve usability and create a seamless shooting experience for vloggers and filmmakers. Upgraded imaging technology. One of the standout features of the DJI Pocket 4 is its anticipated 1-inch CMOS sensor paired with a 20mm f/2.0 lens. This combination promises sharper images and superior low-light performance, perfect for creators who shoot in challenging lighting conditions. The expected ISO range spans from 50 to 6400 for video and up to 16,000 for still photography, providing impressive flexibility. Color fidelity is also rumored to see significant improvements, with support for 10-bit color depth, D-Log-M, and HDR recording. These features will enable professional-grade color grading and enhanced dynamic range, elevating the visual quality of your footage to cinematic levels. Revolutionary autofocus and AI features. Autofocus capabilities in the Pocket 4 are rumored to include phase detection and advanced eye tracking technology, reducing the focus hunting issues that sometimes plagued its predecessor. This ensures smooth, reliable focus even in fast-paced shooting scenarios. Smart features like Active Track 7.0 are expected to take subject tracking to the next level, combining phase detection and eye tracking for precise and accurate focus on moving subjects. Whether you're capturing action sports or dynamic vlogging sequences, this feature could be a game-changer. Next-gen stabilization and high-performance video. The DJI Pocket 4 is likely to feature a hybrid stabilization system that blends mechanical gimbal technology with advanced electronic stabilization algorithms. This innovation promises ultra-smooth footage, even during high-motion activities like sports or fast panning shots. With the ability to shoot 4K video at a stunning 240 frames per second, the Pocket 4 doubles the slow-motion capabilities of the Pocket 3. This improvement, combined with sharper details, improved low-light performance, and an expanded dynamic range, positions the Pocket 4 as a must-have for creators seeking cinematic-quality video in a compact form. Enhanced workflow and processing power. The inclusion of a new processor is rumored to enhance computational photography and handle larger data rates seamlessly. Real-time HDR previews and faster processing speeds could make content creation smoother than ever. For vloggers and filmmakers prioritizing speed and efficiency, these upgrades are a welcome addition. Battery life and charging improvements. Battery life is another area where the Pocket 4 is expected to shine. Reports suggest significant enhancements in power efficiency, enabling longer recording sessions. Fast charging capabilities are also rumored, with a 25-minute full charge using DJI's PD charger, a notable improvement over the Pocket 3's 32-minute charge time. Additionally, better heat management could allow for extended recording durations without overheating issues, making the Pocket 4 suitable for long filming sessions or shooting in hot environments. Price and release timeline. According to leaks, the DJI Pocket 4 is expected to launch in late 2026 or early 2027, following DJI's traditional 3-year release cycle. The anticipated pricing is $699 for the standard version and $799 for the Creator Combo. While this represents a slight increase from the Pocket 3, the enhanced features and capabilities more than justify the cost for serious creators. Final thoughts. The DJI Pocket 4 has the potential to revolutionize portable video production. With its rumored larger screen, improved stabilization, upgraded sensor, and advanced AI features, it promises to deliver exceptional performance for vloggers, travelers, and filmmakers. While these details are based on leaks and rumors, even if half of these features materialize, the Pocket 4 could set a new standard in compact video devices. What features of the DJI Pocket 4 excite you the most? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this deep dive into the DJI Pocket 4, Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Techno Trend Zone for more updates on the latest tech innovations. Stay tuned for more exciting content.